So for this part of your quick start guide, it's important to go ahead and set up your tracking. So this is where your elements of your tracker will come in play, and then you can use your campaign URL to go ahead and create your push campaign. So let's go ahead and do this part first. So what you'll need to do is make sure that the affiliate network is added to your platform. So in this case, what you can do is go to the affiliate networks, new affiliate network, and you can add Big Bang ads. And there should be a template available for you. So what you'll notice is you'll get the information available for your postback URL, create a find for you based on the template. So you can verify this information, make sure you're good to go. Next, you want to make sure that your traffic source is added if you were not using Zeropark, but since we're using Zeropark, it's already integrated. To integrate Zeropark into the platform, all you need to do is go to your settings and integrations. And then as you can see, we signed in and we have the integration. So our traffic source is good to go. We won't need a landing page because we're going to be able to direct link to the landing page offered by the affiliate network that we reviewed. This is going to be the landing page that the user is going to see after they click our ad. So, good to go. All right. Therefore, now we can go ahead and add our offer. What you need to do is select new offer and then create. You can select your workspace. The affiliate network for us is going to be Big Bang Ads. For us, we're doing New Zealand, and this is an iPhone offer, and that completes that. And then next, you'll want to get your offer URL, which is what we retrieve directly from Big Bang Ads. So let's make sure we copied it. iPhone, and we will copy. And then you go to volume, and then you have to make sure your click ID is appended. So we have F602. Great. Now you've added your offer and you can save that. Let me add this. Let me say iPhone 11, and we're going to do sweets, so we know. Okay, excellent. Now you can create your campaign. You can also do so from the offer element, but we're going to do it from the campaign element. We're going to use simple since we're only direct linking, and we'll select the workspace. The traffic source is going to be Zeropark. We're going to New Zealand, and this is our iPhone sweeps. So we are going to be direct linking since we're going to send our traffic to the landing page, and then we'll do a double meter refresh. We'll just select our offer. Wrong offer. And then you would save this to get your campaign URL. So since I'm not using a landing page, I don't need anything else. This is all I need. Now we would head over to Zeropark to set up our campaign in the last step. All right, so first we need to talk about angles and ad copy because your creatives are extremely important. Your icons and your descriptions are going to be king because they're the first thing that the user sees, and they can kind of tell whenever it's authentic or not. So you want to keep it simple. Use emojis that are appropriate, so don't go overboard and have like 5 emojis for a party or anything like that. And make sure you're rotating your creatives, which is really easy to do. So that just means you have to acquire multiple variations in order to be able to add them to your campaign. And also, don't be shy. Use spy tools for inspiration if ever you need any ideas for what kind of headlines to use. So what I like to do are things like new message, or you have a chance to win, or answer the survey questions, things like that. So I'll show you some copy examples when we build the campaign in the next step. And also, when it comes to icons, sometimes it's good to split test your audience and see if they like certain types of icons that match. So sometimes they may appreciate a gift icon, or they may appreciate just a simple icon like for a messenger, or they may like the actual item itself, where if you're displaying an electronic like we are for iPhone, we may need to display that feature to give them the benefit in that shock feature and impress them to go ahead and click on our ad. So that means we have to do really good on the headline. So those are just some key things that I wanted to give you, since going through volume in your tracker, that's something that's very important to make sure you can track your conversions. And by using Zeropark, it's going to be very easy to optimize because the reports are going to be in sync, since all of the servers are pretty much coming from the same headquarters. So let us know if you have any questions, and we hope you enjoyed this video.